7.1 homework level 1. So since question number 7 has a variable g and a degree on it is 1, so degree for this monomial 4g is 1, x to the power 4. So the highest exponent is 4, so degree is 4. For number 10 is a constant. For a constant term, degree is always 0. For classifying polynomial, write it in a standard form for number 15. That's going to be 3p squared plus 7. Degree of this polynomial is the highest exponent, that's 2. Type of polynomial is binomial because there are two terms. For number 16, w to the power 6 is a standard form because it's a single term. Degree is 6 and it's a single term, so that's a monomial. Writing in a standard form, the highest degree in the front, negative 4d to the power 3 plus 8d minus 2, highest degree is 3. There are 1, 2, 3 terms, so this is trinomial. For number 19, highest degree is c to the power 4, so in the front you have c to the power 4. 6.5 c to the power 2 minus c. Degree is the highest exponent, that is 4, and that's going to be trinomial. For number 20, you write the first term as y to the second power, so negative 3 over 8 y to the second minus 1 over 4y. Highest exponent is 2, so degree is 2. Two terms means binomial. Writing in a standard form, square root 3n to the power 7 plus square root 2n to the power 3 minus 19. Highest exponent is 7, so the degree is 7. 1, 2, 3 terms, so it's trinomial. For level 3, the correct one, we are going to write it as negative 5m to the power 5, then m to the power 4, and then m squared. And then the degree for this one is 5.